Hey, Rob here for Quadratec.com. When you think Rigid, you normally think cube lights or light bars. Well, Rigid's new 360 series is their first round offering in the off-road market. Today, we're specifically taking a look at the 4-inch version of the Rigid 360 series light, along with their A-pillar mounting bracket for the 18 and newer Jeep Wrangler JL and 20 and newer Jeep Gladiator JT. Before I get into today's review, if you haven't already and you like these videos, do me a huge favor, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Of course, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as the notification icon, so be sure to catch this as well as all of our latest product reviews, installs, and much more. Rigid 360 series 4-inch light is available in multiple different beam configurations, so there's sure to be one that's perfect for wherever you're mounting it on your vehicle. There's two SAE Fog light versions of the light available in your choice of either a white or yellow light output. Those are perfect for mounting down low in your front bumper in your factory fog light locations. There's also 3 off-road versions of the 4-inch 360 series lights, available in a narrow 17-degree spot beam pattern, as well as a wide 60-degree diffused pattern, or a middle-of-the-road 45-degree driving light, like the one I have installed on our A-pillar here today. Now, the 4-inch version of the 360 series lights output up to over 3,000 raw lumens of light while drawing only 28 watts of power. That's only 2 amps of power. So you can see what amazing output you get from a very small and attractive package in the Rigid 360 series lights. And of course, just like everything we've come to expect from Rigid, the 360 series light is a very high quality light featuring an aluminum alloy housing and heatsink with a tough and durable polycarbonate lens on the front there, as well as all stainless steel mounting brackets and hardware. It features a prominent Rigid logo right through the center and the front of the light there, and this outer trim ring is actually removable so that you can customize it to accent your Jeep. The Rigid 360 series lights are sold in pairs and feature bare wire leads for a universal installation. Now, you can also pair them with Rigid's 360 wiring harness available separately that makes for an easy plug-and-play style installation, making easy connections to your battery, and even includes a 3-position rocker switch that you can mount in a convenient location on your dash to choose from, either illuminating the backlight or the main projecting light. Now, I have them installed on the cowl of our Jeep here in the shop today using Rigid's A-pillar mounting brackets for the 18 and newer Jeep Wrangler JL and the 20 and newer Jeep Gladiator JT that make for a very easy bolt-on, no-drill installation. To get started, we need to go ahead and remove our windshield wipers and remove the 4 bolts holding the windshield in place. Then we can lower the windshield onto the hood to get access to the bolts holding the windshield hinges to the base of the windshield. Now, working one side at a time, simply remove the 2 bolts holding the hinge in place, slip the A-pillar mounting bracket in between the windshield frame and the hinge, and then reinstall those 2 factory bolts. You can move to the other side, repeat the same steps. Once it's in place, you can fold the windshield back into position, securing it back in place and reinstalling your windshield wipers. Now, removing the side cowls on the JL and the JT makes for a very convenient way to hide your wiring. Then we can go ahead and lift the hood, and using either the Rigid 360 wiring harness, again available separately, or your own custom wiring harness if you like, we simply need to run it from each side of the Jeep over to the battery. Because the 360 lights do come with bare wire leads, you can either make permanent crimp connections or install your favorite watertight electrical connector like I did here. Then, if you're using the Rigid 360 harness, you'll simply want to find a convenient location to mount that 3-position switch inside your Jeep. Now, our Jeep is equipped with the factory auxiliary buttons on the dash, so we've got a great convenient way to make our connections right here next to the battery. We can simply connect right to 2 of the auxiliary circuits. We'll use the high power circuit for the main projecting light and one of the lower power circuits for the backlight, and then we can simply connect our ground at the grounding location right next to the battery. So you can see just how quick and easy it is to get a set of 4-inch Rigid 360 series lights installed here on the cowl of your Jeep Wrangler JL or Jeep Gladiator JT using Rigid's A-pillar mounting brackets. Now, whether you choose from a 45-degree driving light like I have to throw light far down the trail in front of you, or maybe a wider 60-degree diffused light to help light up the sides of the trail at night, you really can't go wrong with a set of Rigid 360 series lights here on the cowl of your Jeep. If you guys want to get any more information or to purchase a set for your Jeep, you can click that info button to head over to Quadratec.com. Of course, if you have any comments or questions about the 360 series lights, the mounting brackets, or the wiring harness, you can always leave those for me down in the comment section below or contact us directly at any of the options on the screen. Till next time, I'm Rob. I'll see you guys out on the trail.